Last video, we have explained the concept of Redux. Today, we will implement Redux in our project. First, we need to install Redux, React Redux, and Redux Thunk node packages. React Redux is created by Redux team. It binds React and Redux 2 libraries together, making development much simpler and easier. Redux Thunk is a middleware allows us to write action creators, which returns a function instead of a simple action object. In terminal window, type command npm install Redux React Redux Redux Thunk. After it finishes, let's install the Redux DevTools extension for Chrome browser. Redux DevTools extension is for debugging applications state changes. In terminal window, type command npm install Redux DevTools extension --save. It will install Redux DevTools extension node packages only for development environment. Let's go back to our code editor. Under src folder, create a new folder named store. Inside the store folder, create a new file named store.js. First, import create store, combine reducers, apply middleware from React Redux. Next, import Thunk from Redux Thunk. Then import compose with DevTools from Redux DevTools extension. This statement allows us to debug application state changes in Chrome browser, and it's only for development environment. First, let's define a variable named reducer using combine reducers method. We keep it as an empty object. Later on, we will create reducers and pass them as parameters. Next, we define an empty object as initial state. Define another variable named middleware as an array. As an array, it includes Thunk methods. In the last statement, we define a variable named store using createStore method. We pass reducer as the first parameter, initial state as second parameter. The last parameter we call compose with DevTools function with apply middleware as a parameter. The last step exports store variable. Open the index.js file under src folder. Import provider from React Redux. This allows us to pass state data to our components. Next step, import store, which is created. Wrap the app components inside the provider component. Provider component has a property named store. Set its value equals to store variable. Open Chrome browser window. Press F12 key. It opens up the inspect window. Click Redux tab. It shows the Redux DevTools extension is running. There are warning messages in the console log window. One of them says each child in a list should have a unique key property. Let's fix this one. Enter components layout folder. Open content.js file at line 11. Add a key property to product component. Set its value equal to product._id. Now we have created a Redux store for products page. Next video, we will create Redux reducer.